How to add a bookmark on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a bookmark on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this click on any site here or type here anything like Facebook and then click the 3 points here. And if you want to add Facebook to bookmark, click here and then click these 3 points here, this star, and as you see now Facebook has been bookmarked. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.